So how do you trade with your phone? I mean, no, not. Look at it. Ooh, now we got some touch screens now. The BlackBerry, who remembers these things with the, no. All right, iPhone, yeah. Look at this one, don't use these, okay? These are toys, okay? One of the more popular questions I get is, hey Clay, I want to trade with my phone, so is this broker good for my phone? Hey Clay, what are some good apps for my phone? Which, implies that, well, they want to trade from their phone. So a lot of people, and it makes sense. So I'm not saying that none of this is, stupid. Well, I will be saying none of this is stupid, but the general idea of thinking and, arriving at the conclusion of, hey, I want to trade from my phone. It's a great day of technology, and rightfully so. So how do you trade with your phone? Well, the first step in that whole process is actually, should I be trading with my phone? That is the right question to be asking. Now, I realize there's going to be some thumbs down, but you said the name of this video was how to trade with your phone. I'm telling you right now, you are approaching this the wrong way. It's should you be trading with your phone? So should you? Well, I don't know. It depends. And what I'm going to do is use a graph, if you will, that kind of explains where you should and then shouldn't really be using your phone to trade. So to do this, I want to just make a big, beautiful chart right here. And over here we have, actually let's make this red to represent risk. So this y-axis here represents risk. Here we have style. Now, what do I mean by style? Well, way down here, we have, so right at this point, retirement, investing. Meaning, yeah, I want to buy stuff and then I'll check back on it like in 30, 40, 50 years from now when I'm ready to retire. I mean, this is hardcore investing at its peak. Literally, I don't care about this stock for the next 30, 40, 50 years. You get the point. Retirement investing down here. Then over here we have, at this point, we have scalping. What is scalping? That is, if you watch my live trade videos, that's what I would consider intraday scalping, where you're just looking to buy and sell within seconds, within minutes, within the same day. So I'm not going to quite call it a day trade. Yeah, that is day trading. Any way you slice it, day trading. But this is about the shortest time frame possible of day trading, the scalper. So that is scalping right here. But then also penny stocks. So on this end of the range, we have intraday scalping, boom, 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 in, out, and penny stocks. Way over here we have, yeah, I'll check back on it in like 35 years from now. Retirement investing. So how do we gauge whether or not you should use your phone? So we need to keep in mind this. The curve here. And this curve represents the phone curve. Yeah, I realize it's not, actually it is a curve because down here it will curve off and up here. So this is the phone curve though. So what is the relationship? Let's say that, you know what, Clay? I want to do penny stocks and I want to trade penny stocks from my phone. Okay, well, penny stocks are essentially here. So when you match that up with the phone curve, what is that telling us about risk? Well, risk is really, really high to be using your phone for penny stocks. Now, maybe you've had success with penny stocks with your phone, but it's only a matter of time, and anybody that's traded penny stocks for an extended period of time can attest, have horror stories of, oh, and then the thing just started to dump. The price just started to fall and fall and fall. Or really, and then the price started to boom, and it kept going. And here you are, either trying to get out on your phone or trying to get in, and it's all happening way too fast, and it's gonna cause headaches. And penny stocks is definitely the fool's gold one, where you can have some success on your phone, but all it takes is one where everybody's heading to the exit at once and you're not able to get out or not get out as nearly close to the price you should have been able to had you been at a more traditional source of trading, such as a tablet, computer, something like that. Penny stocks. Scalping though, again, if you are doing scalping, you're probably right here actually. You're even further in. So your risk is just that much higher, way up there. I mean, if you watch my live trade videos and you see how fast I'm in and out, can you imagine trying to do that on your phone? It's not gonna go well. So in these situations, I would say you should not be using your phone to trade. Because why? Well, because the risk is so high. And then on the flip side of things, if you're just doing some sort of long-term investing, so you're right, and I shouldn't even say long-term, because long-term you may say, well, yeah, I'm going to invest for like the next 3 years. Well, that's not even quite retirement investing. So retirement investing, way over here, I mean, you match that up, and you can see when you match it up to where the risk is over here, risk is quite low. I mean, could something crazy happen? Sure, but from a does it make sense perspective, retirement investing, long-term investing, swing trading, all those are going to be in between. So maybe right around here you probably have swing trading, something like that, but that would also depend on what type of swing trading you're doing. So there's a lot of in between, but like I said, the two hardcore levels would be retirement investing and the scalping in penny stocks. And just understand that the more quick you need to act, the higher and higher the risk becomes of using your phone. So I know there's some apps out there that are free commission and you have to use your phone for them. And that's truly a catch-22. It's actually, when I think about it, it's kind of a scam's not the right word, but it's almost irresponsible on their part. Why is somebody that's offering $0 commission saying, but you can only use the phone? I mean, I know why, it keeps their costs down, but it's very risky because I see it all the time. I'm not going to name this broker because, knowing my luck, this broker will change the policy as soon as I release this video, and then this video becomes obsolete in a few senses. But you got to just be very aware of what your strategy is. What do you plan on doing? So how do you use your phone? Wrong approach. Should you even be using your phone? Should you be considering using your phone? Maybe now you're thinking, okay, now I need to change my strategy. I need to change my approach so that I'm more, over here somewhere on the curve where my risk is a whole lot less. Because again, I'll say it again, the faster you need to act, the higher the risk becomes using your phone. The higher you need to act as a scalper, in penny stocks, there's no other place in the market where you need to act as fast as scalping as a day trader or a penny stock than those two areas. And that's why it's just such a high risk. So keep that in mind. Should you use your phone? I don't know. I don't know you. I don't know what your approach is. I don't know what your goals are. But this chart hopefully can kind of help gauge and push you in the right direction on whether or not you should actually be using your phone to trade. If you are interested in trading alongside me and other traders, then I do offer a private trading community known as the Inner Circle. So the two images that you see on the screen, the one image, if you click on it, it will take you to the Inner Circle page and give you all the details about it. The other is going to be a behind the scenes tour that I personally give so you can see exactly what you are going to get with the subscription. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then go ahead, check it out, and by all means, let me know if you have any questions.